Oh, look at that. Yeah, someone just got fucking car. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No lights. Shut up, Alicia. Talking, man. Yeah, that's what you call a blackout here. It happens mostly every day, or somewhat, yeah.
Look at this drunk driver right here.
Yeah, we have a drunk driver in front of us, so, yeah. He was trying to, I don't know, he's trying to take the whole street over. See, can't you see our stoplight? It's like fucking all reds.
It's like a disco light.
Oh wait, we're gonna cruise around on a black light day, or night. See, can you tell?
Oh, babae, ba?
Just like that, 28 days later, when there's no lights, it's time to break some glass. It's time to rob some store.
Like maggot.
Like maggot store, fool, because I'm broke. Yeah, I pour some gas in this fucking car. I need the booze. All over the world tonight. Too dark tonight. Yeah. What I'm talking about. You need boo-boo. You see that? What you see is the cars with lights. You know what I mean? That's it. Cars, lights. That's all you see. It's really dark.
Keep talking, dude.
Yeah, bullshit, man. I'm supposed to be in a computer, man. Fucking electricity and shit.
Are you playing games?
Yeah, man.
What games?
I don't know. Games, online games, shit. That's how you do it.
Every day? Every night?
Every night, 24/7. Shit. But this night, blackout night, we gotta rob some stores. Like my boy. We gotta rob that motherfucker down there. I'm dark. You can't see me. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to race this girl, guy, old lady.
Go!
Ah, fucking smoker. Yeah.
See ya!
That's what's up. And she tried to chin sling. Shit. She was about to cut me off. I smoked the shit out of her. Alright. Get the clips, man. I'll let him go ahead. That's what's up. I have not loved this clip, man. I'm gonna smoke him right now. Hurry up, fool. That guy didn't even break. See that motherfucker right there? All the guys' license is 996 story shit. People don't know what's red and green or blackout. See? Motherfuckers don't,
People stressing, man.
people don't give a fuck about this area here. See, look at McDonald's. It's supposed to have a backup generator. Look at that motherfucker. Dead. Look at his face. It's really dead. Shit, man. Gasoline as ever. What?
I think you're gonna smoke that Eclipse, dude.
I'm gonna smoke him right now, dude. Side by side right now, but I can't, man. He's ahead of me. Who's lucky? Shit. I'll give him the next stoplight. Or not.
That's 2 minutes more.
2 minutes more?
Yeah.
Oh, he smoked me already, dude. Pretty far.
Fucked up.
Fucked up, man. Get away from me.
Right there.
What?
Infinity. Right there.
What's up, fool?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude. Shit.
You lost already.
Nah, I fucking smoked them, dude. What's up, man? Smoke your ass, fool. Look at that. Yeah, you better give up. What's up, truck? You want some of this too? What's up, nigga?
This one.
Smoke your ass.
Smoke this one. This fucking big car, dude.
Oh, man, what the fuck? That's cheating, dude. It's him first. Man, that's fucked up shit, man. Put this forever, man. What the fuck you doing? Yeah, stay in the middle. You can hit. Damn, fool. That's what cheated. You didn't fucking let that guy go first.
I know.
Fucking pussy. Scared. Infinity, he got scared, dude. He give up.
Fucking racist.
Motherfucker. Bitch ass nigga. Fuck, where are we going, man? I can't rob here.
Oh, finally we have a green light here.
Yeah, I can't rob here, man. There's too many lights.
So many lights.
Yeah, hell yeah, too many lights. Where are we going, man? Shit, dude.
I don't know.
Oh, man, I could have busted a U-turn, man. Alright. I can bust a bitch here. done. Almost done?
It's gonna be 5 and